Okay, people, as you can see behind me, I got it all lined up and ready to go. It's gonna take me, we'll see. According to my clock, it's 1:46. And the clock ain't fucking moving. Anyway, it don't matter what damn time it is. But, okay, now it's starting to go again. I'm a cheap ass clock. Anyway, I'm finna turn the machine on, is all I gotta do right now. What I had to do, connect this hose to the machine. This is the intake with the water. This is out.
Look at this.
Here's my bleed valve down here. Here's my tank. Here's my line. Here's my filter, which I got a problem out because I feel it vertical like that. See that, right? So it'll be like that. So any water that's in the line, go back. Okay, so after I turn it on, I'm gonna prop this up as you see. There's the reading. It's at, the other is at 3,000, but it's only at 29. I'm gonna take it all the way to about 4,100. And we'll see just how much time it takes. You start your clock, because the clock I got, wait a minute. Shit. Yeah, I probably knocked everything out the goddamn out of line. Nope. I'm gonna load this clock so you can see how much time this takes itself. Alright? Here you go. Clock don't want to load though. I ain't gonna start this shit over. Don't think that. See that?
From sun up to sundown.
See that?
Day in, day out.
I'm gonna leave it right there. You'll see the time lapse. All I gotta do now, turn it on, bleed screw closed, valve closed, turn the machine on, it's ready to go. Ready? Here we go. When it gets to about 3,000, I'm gonna open up. Okay. Ready? Oh. And here's my air leshy. This is about the only damn thing I've got that ain't so damn cheap. But let me tell you, it's worth every bit of that $145. Stops you from losing all your damn air in your tank. Alright, people. One more. Everything set up. Like this. Get all my books out the way. You ready? Let's go. I get the valve closed on your beverage and shit. You have to close too. No, I start mine under pressure. And so, see how quiet that is? $2,025, let's go. Open all the way. All the way open. Let's see how long that takes. Now that you see what's going on, I'm going to pause it because you don't want all that time. But the clock is right there. All right, people, we like, see that time? What's that, 4 minutes, 5 minutes? It's at, started at 2,900 BC. It's at 3,300 BC. At 400 so far. It's at 100 degrees. We advanced another 500. We are now at 3,700 and 104 degrees. You see the time. Let me correct something for you. My tank go to 4,500, but it's 17 years old, 2 years overdue. So I only take it to about 4,000 or 4,100 as not to stress the tank to make it last a lot damn longer. When they test them, they take them up to 7,500 to see what it does with a water displacement. So still going to 4,500 is no biggie, but I don't need to do it because I got Tuxing. I'm just about to turn it off because right now it's right at 4,000 now. But once it cool off in the morning, it'll be like at 38. The temperature on the Tuxing is 111, and I didn't use the other water that I got in the kitchen. You see what I'm saying? I wouldn't have needed till it got to about 115 or 120. So now I'm fixing to turn the machine off, and I'm gonna let you see how easy that is. Just at 140. That's enough. I got an unlimited air supply. Watch. There you go. Now, close the tank. Other way. This is my scat tank. Maybe ain't complaining. Look at the time. Went from 28 to 4,000. Just that quick. Now I can bleed it from the tank, but here's where all the water is. See the water? My water